Hey guys, Thiago Trader here, and I'm going to share my thoughts on Arbitrum, what I think it's going to happen in the short term, in the next month, basically, with this amazing cryptocurrency. So here, as you can see, guys, we have a trend line that came all the way from September 2023 until now that we were having a hard time breaking, and we broke it around December 2023. We retested here as support, and now we completely out of the waters here on this trend line. So now we are looking at a target which I think is going to happen around $3. And let me explain you why I think we're going to hit $3 before this vertical line here, which is around the 13th of March, or we can even put it around the 16th of March. So a very big event is going to happen on the 16th of March, which is a billion tokens of Arbitrum is going to be unlocked. And there is a danger of this flooding the markets and dumping the price. So when these tokens are released, the people who had early access to the token, the people who mine the token in the beginning, and the team, they can sell. So this can create a huge sell pressure. But until then, we might experience a rally. So because Bitcoin is going up, and I believe Bitcoin is going to at least hit $57,000, I think Arbitrum has a big chance of reaching close, if not $3. So to be safe, I'm putting it 2.9. So I'll be exiting around 2.9. And let me explain why I think the $3 target is a reasonable target for Arbitrum. Let me show you here. Let's see if I can draw it here. So let me show you here the accumulation zone of Arbitrum is basically around this area, right? You guys can see it goes from around 99 cents to $1.20. Of course, we had some lucky people who were able to buy below $1, but the vast majority bought between $1, $1 and $1.20, 25 cents. So here's we can call it the accumulation zone. So the people who bought around this area, let's start here from the bottom, until $3, they will be made. Put this chart a little bigger. So from here, from the bottom of this range until $3, that's going to be a 3x amount of your 3x of your investments. So normally this is a great target for people to exit, okay? Especially the team members, the people who have been mining this token. I mean, they'll be making it a 3x before the unlock. So I think it's a reasonable target to expect. And if we go from where we are right now, so around $2 to $3, that's a 40% increase. I think it's pretty reasonable considering what Bitcoin is doing. So if you go here to the chart of Bitcoin, unless Bitcoin sees a pretty major dump now, which I don't think is going to happen, I think the dump is going to eventually come closer to this area here at the $57,000. Why? Because this is an area where we had a big cluster of volume here. Let me show you here with the triangle. We had big cluster of volume here on this area, and it might be, people are speaking, a lot of traders are speaking as this area as a major resistance area that we can have some trouble going through before the halving. So here's what I think is going to happen. If we go to the $57,000 very quickly, that might not be the best outcome. I think we would benefit if Bitcoin goes slowly to this area, meaning if Bitcoin does something like this, goes like sideways a bit, and then goes to the $56,000, we have a higher chance of rallying on the Arbitrum. But if Bitcoin goes too fast, we have a risk of having a very fast dump also. And that means that the altcoins will not have time to rally. So depending on what Bitcoin does, okay, this scenario might play out. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this prediction on Arbitrum. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you enjoyed the video for more content like this. That will give me motivation to continue. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice one.